Hello there. Welcome back to Elements in Focus. We're so grateful to have you here. I'm Grant Soliven, Manager of Advisor Operations, and with me always, Rheaume, Director of Financial Planning. And again, thank you for taking the time to be with us today. In our 5 critical elements, we're going to cover risk management and life happens. And we're going to cover a topic that Aaron and I love to hit on, and for reasons that you may actually not think about. And so in risk management here, Aaron, we're going to talk about annuities today.
Okay.
And specifically, understanding the true purpose. So what are they? What's their real purpose? And what should we be actually paying attention to?
An annuity is an insurance product. Most insurance carriers will have some sort of annuity. And there's different types. So you can have a fixed annuity where you're not having market fluctuation and it's paying you an interest rate. Those are becoming a little bit more prevalent in 2023 as interest rates have gone up. You can get a fixed annuity with a decent interest rate. There's variable annuities. Those participate in market up and downs. You can have a sub account that has investment options in there that you can invest in. And then there's indexed annuities that participate in different indexes of the market. I'm not going to go into all of the details of annuities in general. Their true purpose is to help put protections in place when you're concerned about the equity markets. At FEG, we understand how annuities work. It's not a huge proponent of our business model. In some cases, they do make sense to have. In other cases, they don't make sense to have. I always tell people more annuities are sold than bought, meaning that if you walk into a bank and you have investment concerns, the banker or the investment advisor there might sell you an insurance product called an annuity. They're putting protection in place that will relieve the fear of you have of the market going up and down. And so they're more sold than bought. Annuities are sold based on fear and panic, in my opinion, than their actual true purposes, using them maybe for an income source in the future, maybe for just putting a small piece of protection in place of your overall portfolio. If you have questions or you want to understand annuities in more detail, our advisors can talk you through that. And they're so complicated. A lot of them are heavy laden with fees and expenses that you don't really see. So if you do have questions, our advisor team is here to help. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah, and Aaron, we covered that very well. And the reason I said, for reasons you may not think, annuities do serve a purpose, but as Aaron said very beautifully, they are often the villain in this advisor story, meaning that more often than not, when you think about a financial advisor, you think of someone selling you something. And this is predominantly what they're trying to sell you, especially that preservation, distribution phase of finance. They rely heavily on fear to get you there. And it's really tarnished what annuities can do for families. Like Aaron said, they have a specific purpose. They're niche products. And they do serve some of our families well for certain instances. But again, that's so small because in the grand scheme of things, annuities are not designed to protect and essentially encompass the entire financial plan. And the reason annuities are sold so heavily is because they pay a very large income or commission to the advisor selling them. So they're very dangerous products when not put in the appropriate lens. If you have annuities or you're looking to discuss what that could look like in a portfolio, if there's other alternatives, please give us a call. I implore you, 800-928-4001. Like Aaron said, one of our team members or advisors will talk you through that and evaluate if it's really, really best for your situation. If you have a question about an annuity you currently bought, or you're looking to have get a second opinion on something that someone's trying to sell you,
Checklist.
please, checklist is another good one. Please ask us at talktofeg@yourlifeafterwork.com. We'd be more than happy to go through that with you. So again, thank you for taking the time. We appreciate it. We love your questions as they come, and we'll see you at the next one.